dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your Instagram error with your posting. So how you can fix your posting problems in Instagram. So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. So this is the first way. Another way you can try, just go to App Store, just tap on search tab, find your Instagram, tap Instagram, and just if you see here not open but update, just tap on update, just download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings again and find in the settings Wi-Fi. So you just need to check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it helps. And if you're using cellular data or mobile data, just turn off and turn on again cellular data. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just find here shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to remove your Instagram app. So just find your Instagram app, just tap on it and just tap on delete app. After, just go to App Store and just write in App Store in search tab Instagram and just download and install Instagram app again on your iPhone. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.